Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, April 13th, 2017. It's currently 8:33 a.m. and absolutely beautiful out there with temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s over the New York City metro, and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast and in the Philadelphia metro with a nice northwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Basically, the best way I could call this weather is refreshing. With clear skies, low humidity, a light breeze. Yeah, refreshing is pretty much the perfect adjective for this weather for this morning. Temperatures this afternoon will rise into the lower to mid 60s over much of the region, upper 50s to lower 60s over the south shore of Long Island. Overall, again, rather pleasant weather conditions will be in place. On the radar, not much really going on. This is an upper level shortwave that's moving through. No precipitation to reaching the ground, but it could increase a little bit of cloud cover, but that is about it. On the infrared satellite picture, a cold front has already moved through the region and will continue to move out into the Atlantic. High pressure will generally be in control for today, but there will be a few of these mid-level and upper-level short waves that are going to be moving through the region that will be capable of producing an extremely isolated shower over the next 48 hours. Overall, though, I expect generally dry weather conditions and tranquil weather conditions with temperatures pretty much seasonable for this time of year. Again, relatively pretty refreshing out there. This warm front that will be moving through the region, this warm front on Saturday will produce the threat for a widely scattered isolated shower, not a washout in any way, shape, or form. So it's basically Saturday on through early Sunday morning, and then Easter Sunday, for all you celebrating, and also the end of Passover, by the way, extremely comfortable, extremely summer-like, with temperatures ranging from the upper 50s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs, pretty much of a copy of what we were seeing earlier on this week. So overall, a very nice weather pattern setting up for the holiday weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, again, pretty much high pressure and controlled. You can see one of those little weak short waves moving through, possibly producing an isolated shower. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s for highs for much of the region. For this evening, look for clear skies to scattered cloud cover, light and variable winds. Temperatures by tomorrow morning in the lower to mid 40s, could be a few upper 30s mixed in there over the northern interior. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover again. It can't rule out an extremely isolated shower, but otherwise tranquil weather conditions expected with high temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. On Saturday, this warm front will start to move through the region. Look for widely scattered isolated showers, especially in the afternoon hours. Again, not a washout in any way, shape, or form. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s for lows and lower to mid 60s for highs. On Sunday, that warm front will be well north of the region. Look for scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated shower in the morning, again, because of that warm front moving through. But by the late evening hours, this cold front will be moving through, and that will also produce a threat for an isolated shower or two. So let's say from about 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Easter Sunday, absolutely beautiful. Scattered cloud cover, tranquil weather conditions, winds from the southwest. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley, mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, and in upper 60s to lower 70s over Long Island. The South Shore of Long Island, maybe even colder, watching that anywhere from the upper 50s to mid 60s, depending on the strength of the wind coming off of the Atlantic Ocean. But overall, for most locations, practically summer-like, very comfortable weather conditions out there, and watch out for a few isolated showers moving through in the evening hours as that cold front moves through the region. On Monday morning, that cold front exits. We have a secondary cold front coming through with the potential for a few more isolated showers. Temperatures on Monday will range from the upper 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. On Tuesday, high pressures in control with scattered cloud cover, winds from the northwest, so it will be much cooler. Low temperatures in the lower 40s, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, slightly below normal for this time of year. And on Wednesday, high pressure will be shifting off the coast, winds more from the east. Look for lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs in the upper 50s to mid 60s. And on Thursday, a warm front will approach the region with periods of showers, possibly heavy at times. Then this low pressure system is going to be approaching, and this is going to be the start of the wet weather pattern I was warning about yesterday. This wet weather pattern that is going to be approaching the region from this point on has to be watched, as there will be the potential here for some localized flash flooding. So it's something that we definitely have to keep an eye on. And notice this signature here with the warm front. You see how it kind of dips back here? This is a sign of a potential influence from the Canadian Maritimes, because we're moving into what's called a negative NAO block. So what that essentially means is that these warm fronts have a harder time moving through. They move slower, and that's why you have a better potential for heavier rainfall because of this block setting up. So think of it this way. The Canadian maritime air mass is kind of like a wall of cool air coming down from New England, running right into this warm front, and all this warm air is trying to surge over that wall. And so when you get that interaction, that's how you get that heavy rainfall. So on Thursday, temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s for highs, for lows, and for highs, upper 50s to mid 60s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.